What is that? Rust?
Rust.
So this dude just tried to hit me from my truck over here, and I was cars. We just saw the dude just came from down the street. His name is Kevin Blaine Wamba the third. He still lives in Roebuck, and he drives a Dodge Dog car. That is his face on camera. Okay. All right, guys. See ya. Yes, ma'am. Alright, y'all. Thank you guys for watching this video. It's amazing for you guys to see what I do. Basically what I did was a little rundown. I did a little bit of plumbing today for my HVAC job. Also I did some car detailing. Talk to my brother in Christ, as you guys can see. But anyway, guys, so you guys enjoy this video, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like, share as well if you have to. Make sure you guys go to the Instagram page, Precise Unique, also Precise Wash or Wash Precise on Instagram. Check us out. We do our best to make sure you guys are clean and be precise as far as I can see. Let's go, let's get it. God loves you. Stay blessed. Let's get it.